Criminals are becoming more daring and ruthless by the day, which begs the question, what should I use to defend my home? So, in this video, we've gathered a list of the best and most recent revolvers for your protection. Keep watching until the end because it could one day save your life. Taurus Raging Hunter 500. Taurus is currently producing its Raging Hunter in 500 Magnum for those looking for extreme power. The classic hunting revolver has proven to be a well-balanced, dependable weapon, and the Magnum edition only enhances it. Taurus is adding a couple new members to its renowned Raging Hunter family for 2023. The first is the new Raging Hunter 500 Magnum revolver, which can fire some very large shots downrange. The 500 Magnum Raging Hunter seems to be an outstanding alternative for pistol hunters. It has the Taurus double lock mechanism for reliable cycling with high-pressure Magnum rounds, much like all Raging Hunters, and it's built to last. This rifle will be available in a variety of barrel lengths, allowing gun owners to choose whether they want a 500 Magnum that's suited for large game hunting, backcountry carry, or range use. It sports a stainless steel ported and target-capped barrel inside a black anodized aluminum barrel shroud and is built with an alloy steel frame and a 5-shot cylinder. The top of the shroud includes an integrated Picatinny rail for optics, and the Raging Hunter comes with an adjustable rear sight and a partridge-style front sight. The black grips are thick, pebble-grained rubber with a black oxide finish on the alloy steel sections. The overall length is 13.1 inches. The empty weight is 63.6 ounces, and the MSRP is $1,060. Zinc RZMK 357. It's a double-action revolver chambered in .357 Magnum. What distinguishes it is that they bullpupped it. A bullpup revolver indeed. It's also a top break revolver, with the barrel breaking upwards alongside the gun and cylinder. It's strange and intriguing, but it appears to be a nice pistol with a purpose. A .357 revolver with a 4.7-inch barrel, but an overall length of only 6.85 inches seems appealing. It's roughly the size of a J-frame, but without the drawback of a 1.87-inch barrel. It appears to be a semi-auto, with a large bulge on the back of the slide. That slide is a cover with a rail on top that encloses the 4.75-inch barrel and cylinder. A clasp on the left rear of the cylinder enclosure allows the lid to tip up on a hinge at the front of the frame. A safety lever is likewise located on the left, in front of the cylinder. This is a DA-only 6-shooter with a 6.85-inch overall length, an empty weight of 33.5 ounces, and is manufactured of stainless steel with a black or silver finish and black checkered grips. Beretta Manurhin MR73 Sport. The Manurhin MR73 revolver is one of the toughest .357 Magnum revolvers available. It is a combat operations legend. The GIGN, France's elite counter-terrorism team, employed this revolver. It is available with a 3, 4, 5.25, 5.75, 6, or 8-inch barrel. The handgun has an overall length of 10.39 inches, a 6.85-inch sight radius, adjustable target sights, and a target adjustable trigger with a 5.25-inch barrel. This revolver weighs 37 ounces unloaded. Beretta Manurhin MR73 Sport has been specifically built to satisfy the demands of high-level competition and bullseye shooting. In most settings, a thinner front sight with a negative angle allows the front sight to remain obscured and dark. This is the target or sport shooter variant of the MR73. It contains the same basic features as the Gendarmerie, including a 5.25-inch barrel and partridge front sight, as well as a LPA adjustable rear sight. The trigger, like the hammer, can be adjusted for pull weight and over travel. The ergonomically constructed black rubber target grips reduce recoil transmission to the shooter's hand. The finish is a polished blue and the empty weight is 37 ounces, and the MSRP is $3,600. Colt Anaconda. Colt's Anaconda is a good wheel gun with a lot of potential for revolver enthusiasts. Its fit is excellent, and its polish would complement any collection. The Colt Anaconda has a vintage appearance and feel, but with a modern twist. It has a bright and reflective finish. You can comb your hair in its reflection. The fit is incredible. You have to look closely to notice where everything is linked together. If you draw down on a huge doe, you have a good chance of getting the bullet exactly where your sights are, since the trigger won't pull you off goal. Just keep in mind that the trigger is extremely light, especially in single action mode. Don't fire a bullet downrange too soon. Its back and front sights are ideal for their original use, which is to freeze venison. A vent rib, full-length underlug, and recessed target crown are all features of the barrel. A red ramp front sight is standard. It can be changed by the user. It is made of forged steel and has an overall length of 11.25 inches and an empty weight of 42 ounces. This is a 6-shot DASA revolver with an adjustable rear sight and Hogue overmolded black rubber grips. The suggested retail price is $1,499. The Colt Anaconda is an excellent choice for people who prefer to hunt with revolvers or who adore the Colt look and feel. It's an excellent addition to Colt's snake gun series and would make an excellent companion. Lipsey's exclusive premium python. While the Colt Python resurfaced in 2021, a 3-inch barrel version arrived in 2022. Lipsey's has designed a premier-grade Lipsey's exclusive of this fine .357 Magnum wheel gun in collaboration with Tyler Gunworks. It is beautifully engraved on almost 2/3 of its surface and is made of stainless steel with Tyler's American elk stag grips and Colt medallions. This is a 6-shot DASA revolver with a great balance thanks to its vent rib and full underlug. The gun has a red ramp front sight and a fully adjustable rear sight. The overall length is 8.5 inches. The empty weight is 40 ounces, and the MSRP is $2,400. Rossi RM66 Revolver. Rossi has returned to the revolver production after a long break. The new RM66 is a medium-frame, all-stainless steel, 6-shot wheel gun in .38 .357 Magnum. This 6-shot revolver has the same great trigger as its 3-inch sibling, but it has a 6-inch barrel and adjustable sights. The RM66 is ideal for range day, ranch work, or revolver competition shooting, and it also extracts the greatest ballistics from the 3 revolver competition shooting. And it also extracts the greatest ballistics from the .357 Magnum cartridges. Although this revolver is also made of stainless steel, it has a square butt design that makes it easier to shoot with full power Magnums or .38 specials. It's a DASA design with a hammer block safety and an adjustable rear sight. The checkered black synthetic grips feature a gold Rossi symbol. With an OAL of 11.14 inches and an empty weight of 34.4 ounces, it's still light enough for field or target range use. It costs $620. Taurus Model 856 TORO. This 6-shot DA revolver has a compact frame. It's made of stainless steel and is available in matte black or satin silver. It also has a 3-inch barrel and a longer ejector rod. It's optics ready, just like the Model 605 TORO, but it also includes a fixed rear sight in case the optics fail. The 605 is a 5-shot pistol. The .357 Magnum is a 12-shot, whereas the 856 Defender is a 6-shot .38 special. The Model 856's round butt rubber grips aid in concealment and lessen recoil. The overall length is 7.5 inches. The empty weight is 23.5 ounces, and the MSRP is $445. The company simply taps and dies the top of the frame twice to accommodate an adapter plate for the TORO variant and puts the necessary hardware in the box. It also includes the standard-sized 856 rubber grips. Aside from that, the 2 rifles are similar, and without an optic, the iron sights on either variant operate equally well. The firm sells a variety of larger revolvers in various calibers, ranging from 44 Magnum Woods guns to 22 LR target revolvers and other .38 special .357 Magnum variants with larger grips that are easier to shoot. Diamondback Arms Sidekick Birdshead. Diamondback Firearms has announced that their latest Sidekick wheel gun will be available in 2023 with a slim Birdshead-style grip frame and removable stock panels, giving it a handier and more concealable rimfire option in the growing lineup of double-action revolvers. The pistol is also convertible, which expands the platform's capabilities even further. The Diamondback Sidekick Birdshead costs $327 and features the same double-action capabilities as its predecessor, as well as a quick-change cylinder design that allows users to easily switch from 22 LR to 22 WMR. The Cerakote finished steel cylinder can hold 9 rounds in either chamber. For convenient reloading, the swing-out cylinders incorporate an extractor star and a knurled pushrod. The Sidekick Birdshead is a tiny revolver that measures 4.95 inches tall and 7.83 inches long, and is built of Cerakote finish zinc. Diamondback comes with a 3-inch steel barrel and a partridge-type blade sight at the muzzle. The top strap of the frame has a sighting notch. The barrel has a 1/16" RH twist for bullet stability. Do you want to know more about home defense firearms? Well then subscribe to our channel for more firearm content. And while you're at it, check out our video on the best 44 Magnum revolvers in 2023. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.